सब्सक्राइब करें श्रुति अर्जुन आनंद चैनल को और बेल बटन पे क्लिक करें लेटेस्ट ब्यूटी एंड मेकअप वीडियोस को सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hey guys, Shruti here. Today I bring for you all a very exciting video. Now हमारी स्किन चाहे कितनी भी नॉर्मल क्यों ना हो, but during summers sweat is there, salt is there, which makes our skin more sensitive, and pimples come, acne come, and small bumps as well. It also makes your skin sensitive, and breakouts are also there. So today I'm going to talk about some special skincare products which are going to take care of your skin during summers. And if you have acne, sensitivity issue, breakouts, any kind of this problem, this video is going to come pretty handy, so keep on watching. So today I am going to talk about Bioderma products. Now they are easily available on Nykaa.com on 20% sale, so you can definitely check them out. Check out the description box for all the links and all the information about the products I am going to mention in this video. So first of all, there are three key USPs about this product which I really liked. First thing first, they are paraben free. Now what is this paraben? Paraben is actually a preservative which is used in a lot of cosmetic products, but in the long term, if you use a lot of paraben, it actually causes cancer. So you should always make sure all the products you are using for yourself should be paraben free. The second key USP is they are non-comedogenic, which means they do not clog your pores, which is amazing, because if a cream is going to clog your pores, it is going to result as white heads or small bumps on your face. If you get a lot of small bumps on your face during summers, you should always choose a cream which is non-comedogenic. The third USP is all the products are hypoallergenic, which means they are specially meant for sensitive skin which gets breakouts very easily, acne prone skin or pimple prone skin, or if you have small bumps on your face and you are trying to find a good cream for you, these are the creams because they are specially meant for your skin type. Packaging of all the stuff is really good because they have this seal, so you have to take it off, then only you can use it, so you know nobody had touched this product before you. So let's now jump on to the individual review of all the products I have here. The first one is Bioderma Purifying Cleansing Foaming Gel. It's a face wash. So when you wash your face with this, it is going to take all the extra oil or sebum from your face, and your face will be like clean and super clean, making sure that you do not get acne or pimples because of the excess oil production from your face. Next I have Bioderma Lightening Cleanser. It's actually a exfoliator. So when you apply it on your skin, it's very soft. It removes all the dead skin, but at the same time it adds this suppleness to your skin, which I absolutely like. Somehow I feel like that most of the scrub I use, they do remove all the dead skin, but at the same time they make your skin dry. But this one actually adds a lot of moisture and that suppleness to your skin, which I absolutely loved. Next I have Bioderma Sunscreen, which is Photoderm Max SPF 50+. Now the SPF 50 is going to provide you sun protection from UVA and UVB rays for a good 5 to 7 hours, which is great. The consistency of this cream is liquidy, so when you pat it all over your skin, it blends into your skin pretty easily. On daily basis, I get a lot of questions asked that I have pimples, acne or breakouts or sensitive skin, which was the makeup I should use or which foundation I should use. So here I have a range of makeup products as well, which are going to suit everybody out there, not just sensitive skin, but everybody out there. So first I have here a Bioderma Pore Refiner. You can also use this as a face primer. Now when you apply it, it makes your skin so smooth. It's like gel based consistency, so it evenly spread on your face and blends very easily. But within like 1 or 2 minutes, it's give you that perfect matte finish. If you have oily skin tone or combination skin tone or normal to combination skin tone, you should definitely give it a try, because it's going to minimize your pore. At the same time, it is going to make your skin super duper matte. Then I have their tinted sunscreen. It's like the same sunscreen, but it has goodness of foundation in it. So it's going to give you decent coverage, and you don't have to apply another foundation after using it. So it's going to act like a BB cream or CC cream, but at the same time it's going to give you the bestest sun protection as well. Then I have their Mineral Compact with Photoderm Max SPF 50+. It is a sunscreen plus compact powder, so it's going to protect you from sun damage. At the same time, it is a makeup. It's a cream based compact powder which comes with a cosmetic sponge as well. So all you have to do is just take it on the cosmetic sponge and then apply it all over your face. This compact powder oxidizes on your face, so when you apply it, it feels like it's a little bit lighter on your skin, but after like 2 or 3 minutes, it's going to act like it's the same color as your skin tone, which is absolutely awesome. And last I have Bioderma H2O makeup remover. Now on YouTube you can see there are a lot of videos. Everybody rave about this makeup remover, how awesome it is. It's a H2O based makeup remover. It removes all the waterproof makeup, HD makeup, all different kind of makeup, especially if you have waterproof mascara on. That also you can remove by using this makeup remover. This makeup remover is H2O based, so it doesn't have any oil in it. So it's perfect for pimple prone skin, acne prone skin, as well as for oily skin tone. So that's it for this video, and do let me know if you use any Bioderma products and if there is any recommendation for me. Just comment below and I will be really happy to read your comments. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care. Bye bye.